Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can insert the game card into Nintendo Switch. So in order to know where to find it, you need to find this thing over here. Here we have the game card slot. We need to open it like so, and then we can insert our card. So here I have the card. Let's enter it. It has to be front to the front. So over here I have the, let's say the image of the game card. It has to be to the front, right? Let's insert it. And then we need to push it until we hear a click. Once we hear the click, we can close this, and then we can go back to the console. And then if we enter the card correctly, we should be able to find the game in our library. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.